moment right now, DMK's Saravanan has put out a post on social media platform X saying Rahul Gandhi and his coterie are working very hard to bring BJP back to power. This is the latest update we are getting at this point in time. And this is quite a sharp attack that has come in from DMK. It's a sharp attack on Rahul Gandhi specifically. According to DMK's A. Saravanan, Rahul Gandhi and his coterie are working very hard to bring BJP back to power. Now, this statement, of course, is important because now DMK and the Congress party clearly are no longer allies. They are no longer friends. They have DMK, in fact, has unfriended the Congress party because Congress party decided to go with TVK in Tamil Nadu after Vijay's TVK managed to secure seats and was in a position to form the government. And that's when Congress party decided to dump DMK, its alliance partner, and joined hands with TVK in Tamil Nadu. Let's go across to Sabyasachi joining us live right now for more on this. Sabyasachi, what do we make of this statement that has been put out by DMK Saravanan?
Well, see, the DMK and the Congress rift deepens, and the simmering tension between the DMK and its India bloc ally, the Congress party, have now escalated into open confrontation with senior DMK spokesperson delivering one of the party's sharpest criticism yet against leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Now, in the statement, the DMK spokesperson have said that Rahul Gandhi and his close associates are working very hard to bring the BJP back to power. Now, this remark clearly highlights the growing bad blood between the two parties following the recent Tamil Nadu polls where the Congress extended their support to TVK. And time and again, the DMK has been calling the Congress party as backstabbers, and as the Congress party has betrayed the DMK. So definitely going ahead, it's going to have a broader implication as far as the India bloc is concerned.
Right. And we also have seen how the DMK has decided to even not, sit along with Congress MPs in the parliament. This clearly is going to be very, very important going forward, Sabyasachi, because now the fate of INDIA bloc is also going to be decided on the basis of what really happens between all these political parties who at one point in time used to be part of INDIA bloc.
Well, definitely. See, it's going to have a serious implication as far as the India bloc is concerned, because the flashpoint still remains the Congress decision to back the TVK for government formation in Tamil Nadu. And DMK leaders have been reportedly highlighted that Congress won its 5 seats in the state only because of the DMK-led alliance, and even secured a Rajya Sabha nomination through DMK's quota. So DMK is absolutely not happy with how the Congress has betrayed them. Now, the DMK had decided to skip the India Alliance meeting as well, scheduled for Monday, that is June 8, in the national capital, and they have clearly cited that respect for the sentiments of its party workers who are upset over Congress's action. DMK had stated that while the party will monitor the meeting's outcome, attending a gathering where the Congress is present would not be appropriate at this particular point of time.
All right. Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story, Sabyasachi. So viewers,